Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you that earning $3 per minute is possible right now just by watching videos. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Our first website on the list is called sproutgigs.com. It offers a unique opportunity to earn money by watching YouTube videos. It may sound too good to be true, but this platform actually pays you $3 every 60 seconds for simply watching videos. The best part is that it's completely free to use. Sproutgigs.com is an online marketplace that connects freelancers with business owners from all around the world. It offers a variety of easy and affordable tasks, making it a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. The payment options are flexible, and you can choose from various methods like PayPal, Litecoin, AirTM, Skrill, and more. Whether you're currently employed, looking for a side hustle, or just want to make some extra income, Sproutgigs.com can be a valuable platform for you. The best thing is that you don't need technical skills or experience to start. All you have to do is click on the freelance and earn section, hit the play button, watch the videos, and collect your earnings. It's a user-friendly and accessible way to make money online without any complicated requirements. So, if you're interested in exploring new opportunities and earning some extra cash in a simple and enjoyable way, Sproutgigs.com is definitely worth checking out. Once you access the website, you'll be amazed to find a page showcasing the impressive earnings of people worldwide. It provides a transparent view of how much money individuals make daily and even hourly. You can see the latest completed tasks, including the workers' nicknames and total earnings, demonstrating the platform's credibility. Witnessing the variety of incomes people generate through this website is truly inspiring. Some are making a few dollars, while others are achieving remarkable earnings of $155, $650, and even over $1,550. This platform offers genuine earning opportunities for users worldwide. The website also presents the latest requested withdrawals along with the chosen payment options and withdrawal amounts to further reassure users. This gives you a clear insight into the success stories of people who have already cashed out, providing solid proof of payments. However, it's essential to set realistic expectations. While this platform can be a great way to boost your current income, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. And it's not designed to replace your primary job. Instead, consider it a valuable side hustle you can enjoy in your spare time to earn some extra money. So explore this opportunity with enthusiasm and an open mind. And who knows, you might discover an excellent way to supplement your earnings. Now let's move on to the exciting part. In the Freelance and Earn section, click the Sign Up button to create your free account and begin your money-making journey. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to a page where you need to fill in your real name and email address, create a password, choose a nickname, and select your country from the comprehensive list provided. The best part is that they accept members from all around the world. After selecting I'm a worker and agreeing to their terms of service and privacy policy, simply click on the Sign Up button to complete the process. Now, with your brand new account, you're all set to start making money online. And I'm here to guide you through the steps. When you log in, you'll find various jobs available on your dashboard, each offering different earning potentials. On the right side, you'll see how much money you can potentially make from each task. It's exciting to explore the opportunities. Let's dive into the money-making process. To start, change the category at the top to Video Marketing and click Apply Now. This action will reveal numerous jobs for you to choose from, all of which involve watching videos and getting paid. Can you imagine? You simply need to click on a YouTube video and enjoy it from the comfort of your own home while earning money. The flexibility of this opportunity is outstanding. You can do this at your own convenience, whenever and wherever you like, all while earning a steady income. To get started, click on any available job on your dashboard. Since this is a new account, provide some basic information like your date of birth, city, and security question with its answer. Once you're done that, you'll see how much you'll be paid for by watching the video associated with the chosen job. Here's what you need to do. Go to youtube.com and manually search for the specified keywords, avoiding any filters. Watch the video for at least 9 minutes without skipping it, but you can mute it and have it play in the background. Make sure to like the video. That's it. It's a simple and passive way to earn money online while enjoying videos in your home. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Next up on our list is scarlet-clicks.info, a website that has already paid out over $2.6 million to people worldwide. Let's walk you through the simple sign-up process. Click the register button at the website's top right-hand corner to start. You'll be directed to a free registration page to sign up as a member. Fill in your full name, date of birth, preferred username, password and email address, and confirm your password and email. Now provide your payment details so you can receive your earnings. Scarlet-clicks.info offers various payment options, including Payoneer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skrill, ATM, Litecoin, Dash, and Faucet Pay. After selecting your preferred payment method, complete the image verification by typing in the displayed letters and numbers. Lastly, agree to the terms of service and click on the register button to finalize the sign-up process. To assure you further, you can check Trustpilot, where you'll find excellent reviews for this site, with a 4.1 star rating out of 5. Scroll down a bit and you'll see real testimonials from users genuinely earning real cash through scarlet-clicks.info. This website presents an excellent opportunity to earn money online, and it has already proven its credibility with its substantial payouts and positive user feedback. So don't hesitate to explore this platform and start earning. Once you log into your account, you'll notice a photo containing numerous small boxes on the screen. Hover your mouse to the lower right side and you'll find 20 by 28 boxes, totaling 560 in the photo. Each box represents a video, and all you need to do is click on any box if you choose to start earning money. Upon clicking a box, you'll be taken to a random page. Your task is simple. Stay on that page for at least 30 seconds to get paid. No further action is required. You don't need to click anything or sign up for anything. It's a hassle-free process to earn money. The best part is that you have boundless opportunities, with 560 boxes to choose from. You can click on any box you like and keep earning money consistently. Now you might wonder about the video watching aspect. When you click on a box, a video ad will often appear. This is excellent news because video ads earn you double the regular earnings. So just stay on the page until the video ends and you'll enjoy double the earnings for that task. Additionally, some of these pages may have banner ads. Make sure to click on these banner ads whenever you come across them because each click will earn you extra money. It's as simple as that. Keep clicking ads whenever you find them to maximize your earnings. As a bonus tip to further boost your earnings, let me share a valuable strategy with you. Inviting others to join the platform. You can earn extra money effortlessly by referring your friends, family, or group of friends to this website. Focus on direct referrals, which you can easily invite using your unique referral links. On the left-hand side of the website, you'll find options for direct referrals, rented referrals, rent referrals, and buy referrals. For now, concentrate on direct referrals, which are the key to maximizing your earnings. Many people have already earned decent money from this website by simply referring others to watching videos. You've already seen how straightforward the process is. It requires minimal time and zero investment, yet it has the potential to generate a substantial passive income for you. So don't hesitate to spread the word and invite others to join. Your referrals can contribute significantly to your earnings and make your online money-making journey even more rewarding. Scarlet-clicks.info offers an incredible opportunity for those seeking a passive income. With the simplicity of just watching videos, anyone can earn a little extra without investing much time or effort. By leveraging technology, this website has transformed how we can generate passive income today. With a vast array of video options and the potential to earn even more through referrals, scarlet-clicks.info presents a user-friendly and accessible path to supplement your income while enjoying the comfort of your home. Don't miss out on this hassle-free and rewarding chance to earn money online just by watching videos. So good luck out there and happy earning. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.